Hi there, Cutie here from Enlightened Super Trade Education. So far, I hope you've been enjoying our weekly market updates and trades of the week. So far, I've been pretty much spot on based on our analysis. So, nevertheless, without further ado, we're gonna go through and have a look at this week's market update and trades of the week. See you soon. Alright, welcome back. Okay, currently looking at the Dow Jones based on the monthly chart. Since create a new higher high and as part of the downtrend, or sorry, as part of the uptrend, it has to create a higher low. I believe part of the stabilization, the correction has now occurred in terms of the longer term time frame, which now created a higher low. But we need to see as well a form of stabilization before continuation to the upside will occur in terms of a new higher high. So if it chooses to rebound for the next few months, then 13,000, here we come. That will be the pretty much the next target point, about the 13,000 mark. So in terms of correction, I believe that it's already been done. So let's go through as well the shorter term time frame. You can see now through here that the rebound, and based on this week alone, and depending on how this candle will finish, if the bulls will take over, we'll see some form of piercing pattern or bullish engulfing, then absolutely the higher low part of the rebound is also good strong demand level, but the 11,950 actually went below that, 11,930, which was pretty much we were right on target from last week's weekly market update, and hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row form of rebound at demand level, also a rebound of the primary uptrend. And if it chooses to continue, we're going to see more bulls in the marketplace in the next few weeks, next month or so. So it'll be very interesting on what it will do. And looking at daily chart, nice beautiful Morningstar pattern currently forming, nice good demand level about 11,930, 35, pretty much what we stated, stabilization. And I also said last week that some form of stabilization correction will occur before a continuation more to the downside, and hence we now have that reversal, stabilization, some form of correction, and if it chooses to break now through the primary downtrend, then we're going to see a new higher high somewhere sometime in the long run. So this is it for the market update, and now we're going to look at the trade of the week. Okay, the trade of the week is currently based on EST's method number 1, where we can see based on the weekly chart right here that at the 120.59, 120.60 is a good demand level. The euro is the lowest ever been, pretty much against the Swiss franc. 120 was a support base, and it finishes like this by the end of this week, then the odds and probability as a new form of retracement to the upside is going to happen approximately about the 124.75 area. And if we go through on the daily chart, we can see better evidence right here that at 120.59, 120.60 is a good demand level. Buyers are supporting this very well. And at the same time, based on EST's method number 2, we had a trigger at 121.40 and went beyond that, and currently odds and probability to head towards a level of supply at 123, another 100 pips to the upside, and the first level of retracement 124.75 is more than likely to happen. The other one, pretty much from last week, that's still currently in is the dollar against the Swiss franc. So we're still currently in the game, reaching to that level right here of supply, about the 85.60. So another 70 pips pretty much to the upside. Kiwi dollar, the pound dollar is also another one, pretty much heading to the downside. currently right here. Doesn't want to go beyond the primary uptrend, primary downtrend yesterday. At the very end, selling pressure pushed the price back all the way back down, which created pretty much a gravestone doji. Now a continuation to the downside. Excellent. So these are pretty much the trades of the week. Good luck. Until next time, happy trading.